Welcome back, my friends. It's wonderful to share this space with you once again. Your presence truly makes a difference. Today, we'll explore one of the most valuable strengths we all carry within us: the power to shape and nurture a positive mindset. The way your thoughts are wired has the power to redesign the direction of your life. When you begin to shift your perspective, happiness flows more freely, your confidence rises, and success feels like a natural current carrying you forward. While some see life only through the lens of struggle, the real transformation unfolds in how we choose to frame and understand the moments we live. Every lasting change starts in the mind, and positivity is the flame that ignites it. When your thoughts shine with light, your feelings naturally lift to meet them. Obstacles begin to reveal hidden opportunities, and what once looked like boundaries turns into doorways. By moving your attention away from what you lack and toward what can be, you greet each day charged with hope, vitality, and a clear sense of purpose. One of the simplest ways to change the flow of your day is to start by speaking gently to yourself. In the quiet of the morning, affirm things like, "I am open to this day. Goodness comes my way. I walk with strength and calm." These small yet deliberate phrases work like seeds in fertile soil, setting the tone for positivity to blossom through every moment that follows. Positivity takes root when it's nurtured with consistency. Devote just 5 to 10 calm minutes each morning to reflect on what's already a blessing in your life: the loved ones who surround you, the health that sustains you, the visions that drive you forward. Let a soft smile rise and notice gratitude filling your chest. Beginning the day in thankfulness gently unlocks the doorway to a lighter, more uplifting state of mind. You might start with the simplest of phrases. I give thanks for the meal in front of me. I give thanks for the people who love me. I give thanks for the roof that keeps me safe. Say each line with care, pausing just enough to let the feeling of gratitude sink deeply into your heart. A mindset rooted in positivity changes the way you meet your work each day. When obstacles show up, resist the urge to slip into beliefs like, "This can't be done," or "I'm not capable." Instead, let your inner dialogue speak with courage. There's a path forward. I have what it takes. I will continue. That simple redirection fuels resilience and keeps your momentum alive. Positive thinking doesn't just transform your inner world, it also changes how you connect with those around you. When your mind is steady and uplifted, you naturally meet others with patience, kindness, and true warmth. That presence radiates outward, drawing people in and helping them feel seen, encouraged, and uplifted in your company. Small actions often hold the greatest quiet strength. A gentle smile, a kind word, a timely act of support. These simple moments speak volumes, revealing a mind rooted in positivity and a heart that consciously chooses compassion. Try this gentle exercise today. Jot down 3 uplifting truths about who you are. They could be as simple as, I am resilient, I am growing, I am centered. Say them aloud with steady calm, letting each word settle. And above all, allow yourself to truly believe them. Positive thinking doesn't just feed your spirit, it energizes your body too. When your mind is calm and centered, sleep comes easier, choices become clearer, and your days feel more alive. While stress drains and depletes, positivity acts as a quiet recharge, filling you from the inside out and helping you move through life with steady strength and gentle flow. When your mind whispers, I failed, pause and redirect it with kindness. This is growth in progress. I'm learning and I'll rise stronger next time. That small inner shift can quietly reroute your entire path, turning setbacks into stepping stones. Here's a truth worth holding on to. The energy of those around you leaves an imprint on your own. Negativity often slips in softly, changing your mindset before you even realize it. Surround yourself with those who elevate you, who see your potential, celebrate your growth, and help you stay grounded in light and aligned with positivity. Reach out to someone whose presence warms you like sunlight, someone whose words carry kindness and whose energy feels effortlessly calming. Speak with a friend who listens not just with their ears, but with their heart, the kind of soul who makes the world feel softer just by being in it. A positive mindset is your best ally when starting something new, like learning English. Telling yourself, this is too hard, only builds walls, but saying, I'm learning and I'll keep showing up, opens the door to growth. Believing in yourself nurtures confidence, and confidence becomes the bridge that carries you forward. Give this simple yet powerful practice a try today. Choose one encouraging thought and repeat it to yourself 10 or 15 times. Something like, I'm growing, I'm getting better, I've got this. Say it out loud, and say it like you mean it. Let your voice echo the belief you're planting within. Positive thinking isn't about denying what's real. It's about meeting life head-on with courage and hope. It's the calm inner strength to say, I'm here for this. I can rise to the challenge. I won't back down. That quiet trust in yourself, especially in hard moments, is where the true power of positivity lives. When everything feels overwhelming, remind yourself, it's okay to go slowly. Pause, breathe deeply, and turn the mountain into manageable steps. With each small action, guided by a positive spirit, you move closer to balance. Step by step, you'll arrive right where you're meant to be. Never forget, your mind is a creative force. The thoughts you feed become the lens through which you experience everything. When you move with optimism, the world opens up. But if you dwell on the negative, life begins to feel heavier than it is. So choose the thoughts that lighten your path and lift your spirit. This is why your daily thoughts matter more than you know. Let your smile be mindful. Let your words carry kindness. And most importantly, trust the person you're becoming. All right, dear friends, we'll wrap it up here for today. I hope this reflection reminded you just how powerful your thoughts truly are. Keep meeting each moment with hope, Keep choosing joy where you can, and most of all, stay grounded and present on the path ahead. If today's episode spoke to you, be sure to like, subscribe, and share one uplifting thought you're taking with you in the comments below. Keep your mind centered, your heart strong, and I'll catch you in the next one.